Hello, my dear students, third year English section. This is Fatma Mahmoud Amara, and this is a new online section on chapter 9, which is titled by Inventory Costing System in Manufacturing Companies. And this chapter will have a high relative importance in our final exam, inshallah. So, I hope you understand this chapter very clearly and solve many exercises on this chapter especially. In this chapter we are going to talk about three methods for inventory costing. Actually we will focus on just two, the variable costing method and absorption costing method, but there are three main methods for inventory costing, which they are number A, variable costing method, number B, absorption costing method, and number C, throughput costing method. Actually, in our course, we will focus on the first two methods, which they are variable costing method and absorption costing method. Under variable costing method, only all variable cost or all variable manufacturing costs, so whether direct or indirect, are included as inventoriable costs, and all fixed costs, whether manufacturing or operating, are treated as expenses or a period costs. So we have to differentiate between the variable costing method and the absorption costing method. The variable costing method calculate or it takes only all variable manufacturing costs and treats them as inventoriable costs, but all fixed costs are treated as expenses or period costs. This is under the variable costing method. And the second method, or number B, is absorption costing method. And under this method we collect or we take all variable costs and all fixed manufacturing costs are included as inventoriable costs. So you can see that inventory absorbs all manufacturing costs, but variable and fixed operating costs are treated as expenses or period costs. So under absorption costing method, the variable and fixed manufacturing costs are treated as inventoriable costs, but the variable and fixed operating costs are treated as expenses. Number 3, throughput costing method. Only direct material costs are included as inventoriable costs. Only direct material costs only are included as an inventoriable costs, and all other costs, direct labor, overhead costs, and operating costs, are expenses or treated as a period costs. طيب, now you know that there is three methods and what is the difference between them. How to prepare the income statement under each method, and we will focus only on the variable costing method and the absorption costing method. First, this figure will show you the income statement under the variable method or under the variable costing method. As we know, this is the usual income statement: revenues minus cost of goods sold equal contribution margin less operating costs equal operating income.